In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage some exciting new Shopify features that can revolutionize the game for clothing brands. Shopify, as you know, is one of the leading platforms for e-commerce, and it has just rolled out some fantastic updates that make setting up and managing your online store quicker and more intuitive. Let's dive right in by navigating to your Shopify account. Open up your preferred web browser and go to your store's admin panel. You'll be greeted by the homepage, which serves as the hub for everything you need to manage your store. This is your command center, and from here you can access all the vital parts of your Shopify store. Next, look to the left-hand side of your admin page. There you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Online Store from this menu. This section is where the magic happens in terms of setting up and customizing your store for your brand's unique identity. It's where you can truly make your storefront shine and stand out to your customers. After clicking on Online Store, the next step is to access your theme settings. You'll see an option labeled Theme Library. Go ahead and click on that. The theme library is a treasure trove of designs and layouts that you can use to style your store. Choosing the right theme is crucial because it will determine how your customers perceive your brand at first glance. A well-chosen theme that aligns with your brand's aesthetic can make a significant difference in keeping potential customers engaged and encouraging them to explore further. Once you're in the theme library, you'll see a brand new feature: Design your store in seconds. Click on it. This feature allows you to streamline the design process, giving you the power to create a stunning visual experience without needing extensive web design skills. It's an excellent time-saving tool, especially if you're just starting and want to get a professional look with minimal hassle. Finally, after setting up the basics of your store design, it's time to add some flair. Click on Generate Themes. This function gives you a range of themes automatically adjusted to fit your store's brand identity. This new feature can rapidly adapt the base themes to suit your specific needs, ensuring that you get a polished, cohesive look. It's perfect for those who want to avoid the nitty-gritty of theme customization but still want an effortlessly stylish store. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you'll be able to utilize Shopify's latest features to design and customize your clothing brand's online store like a pro. Remember to take your time and experiment with different looks and see what resonates best with your brand and audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more updates and tips on maximizing your Shopify experience.